and then I think like the distance in between. So I think of it as 4, and then I divide that by 2. It's 2. That makes sense.
So, this is technically the same answer, it's just 2 times this times this, that will be, you're supposed to be the x actually.
After the
It's just, but this is technically the same.
No, it is
X.
5. I don't even know if it matters, to be honest.
Oh, okay.
I think, I don't know. I mean, I've always put it down up there.
You wrong. No,
But-
me. Oh.
Well, does it matter?
I don't see, technically it's still multiple.
You wrote the X. Oh, put it in. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, when you ready?
Yeah.
You still got it wrong.
Yeah, oh no, I just fixed it. Because I went back and I said, no, I'm just,
All right.
I doubled it from the.
I'm going to go ahead and start this streaming thing. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the X before or after.
I updated. I never should have updated.
You should have done it.
Never update. Do you want to update? No, I don't want to update. Because now they changed the whole damn thing, and I don't know how to use it.
Come on.
Maybe I should click on. Oh, I don't want to do studio
If
mode.
it's in parentheses, like if it's like.
You're on
Yeah.
The 52.
I'm trying to stream it on YouTube, yeah.
Squared. You just have to pay attention to where the square is.
And it says it's streaming,
You should-
but
I
you,
got a notification.
You probably are wrong.
you got a notification?
Yeah, I did.
I'm not using it.
Yeah, you got it.
Maybe I should have done something. I'm trying to stream it. It says it's streaming, but
I got a notification.
It's gonna look about twice over.
hey, listen. So got a notification?
Yeah, I did.
You might wanna mute it.
I'm not using it. Maybe I should have-
There it goes.
There you go.
It's gonna be like that for the next 20 seconds.
All right, we good. Hey, have you learned anything
Have I learned anything?
so far today? Have you learned anything? This is the test if you learned anything. I'm coming to you. Are you ready?
Yes.
There you go. You learned something. All right. So did you get number 1? Like on a scale of 1 to 10, how confident do you feel? Not very. So I need to go ahead and do it.
Yes.
Okay, let's look at it.
I got a fraction for all of them.
Oh, well, you might have.
It could be right, yeah.
I don't pay it. I don't know. I don't work it out.
Okay.
Yeah, it could be right.
All right. So what we got here? What was your first step?
I distributed to 3.
What'd you get?
I got 3x minus 12.
Okay. Now what did you do?
I distributed negative 1.
Yep. Great answer. Negative x
Plus 5.
plus 5. I like it.
And then I distributed 6.
12x plus 6. Yeah. All right. Now what did you do next?
I combined like terms.
What'd you get?
2x minus 7 equals 12x plus 6.
Okay. Then what'd you do?
And then I subtracted 6.
That's one way to do it.
And then I got, oh, and I subtracted I subtracted 2x, yep. And then I got negative 13 equals 10x.
Okay.
And then I divided 10.
You did it correctly.
Okay.
All right. Now what'd you do for number 2?
This is the way I was taught, but today the way you did it in class was different. So
Baby, everything is buffet style. You take what you want.
I multiplied everything by 12, all of the numerators by 12.
And that's not the way I did it today?
Well, you did, but then you were like, I don't know, you did it something different. It wasn't what I had.
Okay. Now what'd you get?
I got, oh, you skipped the part that I did. I got 24 over 3 and blah, 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 blah. But you just went straight to 8.
Oh, whoa. I divided first and multiplied second. You multiplied first and divided second. We just took them in different orders.
Okay.
I divide first because it makes the number smaller. You multiply first, makes the numbers bigger. Mine's a simpler approach because my numbers go from small or big to small. Yours go big to bigger and then small. All right? So I do 3 into 12 first, get 4, and then I multiply those two together and get 8x. Okay? You do 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. It doesn't matter. All right? What'd you get here?
I ended up with -10.
Negative 10. Negative 7x, yeah?
Yes.
All right, what'd you do now?
Then I combined both x's, or I added, oh,
Negative 10 equals negative 15x.
yes.
All right, what do you got?
Oh, wait. Minus 15x equals 10, but that's the same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
So mine equals 15 over
10 over 15.
10. Oh, right, right.
All right. You good? All right. Last one, you good? Thanks for being here. Did you bring Gatorade for everybody or just yourself? Just for you? Okay. Huh? I'm just saying, I'm sure some other people probably would want to use one to Gatorade, right? You don't, okay. I don't want one either, just for the record. I don't drink
I'll
either.
bring them.
Don't, please don't. You're just wasting your money.
You want? Let's go.
Soda,
So,
yeah,
really expensive.
Coke and Pepsi. 50-50. People like Diet Coke, that's fat.
That's not true.
All right. Somebody's like, Diet Coke makes you crave sugar. I'm like, no doubt. That's the problem. I should just drink the Coke. All right. That last one though, well, last one beat your butt. Easy if you divide it, if you multiply by 100. Clear the decimals by multiplying by 100. 2 decimal places is 100. 1 decimal place is 10. 3 decimal places is 1,000. So multiply by 100, 100, 100, 100. Life's much better. We got 5x minus 113 equals 24x minus 259. I'm going to subtract 5x, 19x minus 259 equals negative 113. Add 259, add 259. 146 equals 19x. Divide by 19, divide by 19. And it's 146 divided by 19. I don't believe that reduces it at all.
If you did it without multiplying by 100.
It's still the same answer. You just get decimals. Then you have to clear the decimals. If it makes you feel better, just take the 146 over 19 and turn it into a decimal. 146 over 19, I believe, is it's around 7.54 or so. You good?
Do you allow us to use calculators on the test or no?
You're in college algebra, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Small calculator, no big girl calculator.
Is this a big one?
That's a good one.
I can use this one?
Yeah, you can use
Okay.
that one.
All right, thanks.
No big girl calculators like this one.
As soon as you came back.
No graphic calculators.
Okay.
All right. All right, we good? Solve the equations, we're good? Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you another solving equations, just because I want to screw with you. You know what? I'm gonna give you 3 more solving equations, just to screw with you a great deal. And what that's what we're doing. Love you. All right. Oh, man. Sorry if you're watching 1033 at home. I just jacked that out of the hill. I can't see shit. All right, college algebra, we on you. Y'all ready?
Sir?
All right, now, kind of screwed with you a little bit here on the X's, right? Because we ain't done that in class. You did it in the homework if you did the homework. Okay, Spencer, it was in there, okay. What is the distance? Assume that X is greater than 0.
I'm gonna go with 2x radical of 13.
2x greater than 13? Sound good? All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. We got 8x minus 4x squared. We got 9x minus 3x squared. 8x minus 4x is 4x. 4x squared is 16x squared. This is 6x squared is 36x squared, which is the square root of
52x squared.
52x squared. This is 4 times 13. This is 2x square root of 13. Now, what would it be if I did not tell you that x was assumed to be positive? Pop quiz. I mean,
Absolute value?
yes, absolutely. Great job. How about the sandwich?
Okay, I will when I leave. I'll
Yeah.
grab one.
Yeah, definitely. Don't take it to tie though.
You just write it.
Tie?
No,
Is
don't-
Bryce
don't.
okay?
Bryce is fine. Yeah,
Bryce
don't
is
take,
okay.
yeah, Bryce is fine. Don't take it to tie though.
Ty's out of the house, so.
Oh, he is.
Yeah,
Thank God. Life's
I
better.
know. I'm so
All right. That's the difference with Spencer leaves. All right. No, seriously, go ahead.
Would you just write absolute value or?
Yeah, you would just put absolute value around the x. I wouldn't do that to you, but other teachers might. He might. So, just so you know, like you're prepared when that happens, okay? All right. We good here? How about midpoint? What are you feeling? How about midpoint? What you feeling?
6x, 6x?
It is 6x and 6x. We add them together. And we get 6x and 6x. Great job. Spencer, you ready?
Yes.
Spencer, do you have a big boy calculator?
No. I don't have a calculator with me at all right now. What kind of calculator do I need to get though?
You need to get one of those.
At the
TI-83.
bookstore, you can get one.
Okay.
Is this it for you?
You need
What are you majored in?
marine biology.
You got to have calculus or no?
I don't know yet. I really don't. I'm running with all my heart and I don't.
Find the right college and then you won't have to do it. All right. All right, college algebra. Let me holler at you with this for a second. Let me holler at you with this for a second. Find the 0. This is the square root of 7. This is the square root of 31. Find x. All right. Mean, we add them all together, divide by the total, yeah? So 9, 14, 16, 17, 21, 26, 33, 35, 40, yes? So we got 40. Divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the mean is 4, right? I didn't even tell you what that data represented, but the mean's 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Median. Median is the middle value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's between 4 and 5 it looks like. So the median is 4.5. I mean, I was just counting the small numbers and counted up to from 5 to 6. Okay. What's the mode? Mode's 5, right? Now, here's what I want to do. I want to talk to you a little bit about standard deviation, which we're going to go over on Thursday. Okay, I want to talk about standard deviation, which we're going to go over on Thursday, and then about Q1 and Q3. Now, this is on the calculator. So if you're in statistics, I need you to have a calculator. Spencer, come with me. Let me get you one. Pre-calculus, we're on you. Statistics, I'm going to get to you guys to show you how to do it in a second. All right, that'll be the next step.
Yeah, 56. 2 squares. 2700.
So there's no payment. You don't turn it in, you don't grade it, it's just, you have to go, you got the answers in the back. That's what I did last year.
But I didn't do it yet.
Sounds good. Then I'm just looking at
I
it.
multiplied it, yeah, I did like 18
I didn't even touch the
times 6.
Oh, really?
I have it at home just so.
Oh, for this one?
Well, I mean, I'm sure if he does the video,
That's
he's
the- no, I'm just gonna
football,
start
they're
on
gonna
the
be able to
second
test,
one.
it's probably better.
So I just read it.
What?
Yeah, I mean, like,
You ready?
same,
So
like,
I don't know which one's attractive.
same type of solving, just different.
Remember when you walk in and you see yourself full screen?
Okay, yeah, you see, that's why I messed up.
That camera had 60 pounds.
It could've just been-
The iPhone's 45. Androids are like 10 because there's a piece of crap. All right. We're going to square root, yes? When I do so, I get plus or minus, right? So we're going to get 2x plus 3 equals plus or minus 3i, yes? We're going to subtract 3. We're going to get 2x equals negative 3 plus or minus 3i. We're going to divide by 2. X is negative 3 plus or minus 3i over 2. If I want to write that in standard form, I do have that option. In standard form, that would look like this. Negative 3/2 plus 3 over 2i, and negative 3/2 minus 3 over 2i. That would be standard form, splitting them up into multiple fractions. Okay? We good on that? All right. Here. We're going to multiply 3 by x minus 7, x plus 4. The x minus 7's cancel. We got 1 x plus 4. The x plus 4's cancel. We got negative 2 x minus 7. These all cancel. We got 3x minus 5, yes? 1x plus 4 minus 2x plus 14 equals 3x minus 5. We good? We got negative x plus 18 equals 3x minus 5. Yeah? X equals 23 over 4. Is that fair enough? I mean, I just kind of threw that out there, but swap the x's and move the numbers. We good? Let us challenge you with this. Anybody else in pre-calculus? Okay, you hanging around? You gotta go.
I gotta go.
Yeah, take care.
Oh, wait, I'll write it down. Do it.
It's good. You might not want to see it.
No, I'll see it.
Well, I'm just saying you might not want to, is all I'm saying. This is the kind of problem to make you call your mom and go like this, I think I want to do a career change. And she'll be like, what do you think you want to do? And you'll be like, homeless. I think I want to be homeless now. So you stick around if you want to. Okay, babe.
Yeah.
I'm all in your space. And
Well, you're good. I was gonna ask
the
you a
COVID's over.
question.
COVID's over. COVID's over, so I can be in your space now. Do you have a question for me?
No, I was just gonna ask him a little bit longer.
Yeah. Can you one switch? Watch this. They're gonna love this.
My brain's not very well to do this.
You don't worry about this part.
Oh, no.
This is like so beyond the scope of what you're dealing with.
I'm English major.
Yeah. Don't even worry about it. He don't want no part of that. He don't want no part of that.
Oh, good.
See, he wishes he had left. He's right now going like this. I wish I had left.
Wait, I need to know what that is too, because I think we're doing the same thing, we just stuck on the same thing.
So she writes it a little bit different.
Yeah, I was like, that's
You
fine.
probably don't want to watch.
Well,
Seriously.
it probably might give you a headache, honestly. Alright, that's fine.
Just trust me.
Okay, so, but then you gotta help me.
I'll help you too,
Okay.
but let me look at hers. So,
Because the way that I see it, like, sometimes I misplace the,
uh-huh.
so whenever I
So the
write
symbols
like that,
have to go
when I do
in
that, I
front of
write
everything where there are an arrow.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead.
When I, like, I've gotten like 4 different answers for the same thing, because I keep having to, that's
All
what.
right, which one are you doing? We already here. Okay. All right, so you're right, Bob. How are you trying to write it? So you're writing the 7, and then, okay, here's the problem. You can't just switch them around.
Are you gonna do the combo?
The negative's got to stay with the 6. The x is a positive number.
That's nice. That's what I'm
Yes.
Is that why I'm getting?
That's why you're getting all these different answers.
Okay.
So the negative's got to stay with the 6. So if you're going to write it, the other way, then you got to write it as 7. You put the 7 on the end, right? So if you see this, and you want to write it the other way, you're going to do -6. You're going to have to put a sign in front of that. If it's not there, put 1. So -6 plus x, and then you can put the 7 over here. Does that make sense?
That makes a lot more sense.
So if you have 8x plus 3, the sign here is plus. So you put 8 here, plus 3, plus x. If you have -4, x minus 2, when you do the -4, you'd have to put the -4 in parentheses. -2 plus x. And then you just need to put a plus there so it doesn't become multiplication. But the sign's got to stay with the number. Okay?
That's why I keep
Yes.
accidentally switching it to a back.
Yes, you keep switching it around.
Thank you.
All right, you're good.
That was.
Yeah, so it's the way her brain works.
Yeah.
So we work with how, you know what I'm saying?
Right,
Like,
right.
we're going to work with whatever you understand.
Right,
So the way she understands is a little different than the way you understand it. It's all good. We'll work with both of you.
right. I
So-
got this one, and I did this one, and I think I did great on those.
Okay?
This one, I don't even know what's
Well,
card.
I'm getting ready to do it.
Okay, perfect then.
Is that okay? Can I just go do it?
Well, the last time you did it, you just like, and I was like,
Stop me. This is
okay.
why you're here.
okay.
I'm not gonna get- You think I'm gonna yell at you?
No.
You think I care? I care that you don't understand. I care that you wasted your time coming here, and then I just blew through it, and you were like, "Fuck, that was just great." How was the session? I only got to put a sandwich out of it. That's not why you're here, right? Stop me and say, "Hey, I didn't understand."
Okay.
All right? Hell, he's leaving anyway. He don't even care. Look, he saw the problem. Like, yeah, I'm good, actually.
I mean, I got an answer, but I don't know. Sorry. But some of it.
All
It's
right.
like,
I don't know what it is. I haven't worked it out yet.
all right, well, then I'll just.
You want to write it down? Write it down right here.
All right.
Write it down and give me your phone number and I'll text you whether you're right or wrong. Oh God, I will. I swear to God. We're gonna have to watch the video. All right. Let's see if you learned anything. You ready? Yeah, there you go. She learned something.
You have to go to, can I write my answer down?
Yeah, write your answer up there too. I'll work it out. Are you gonna watch it on YouTube or you're not gonna watch it?
I had to go to practice.
No, I understand. Are you gonna watch it later?
Oh,
Or do you want me to just say what the answer was?
you know.
Write it down. Here's what I'm gonna do. Write it down, put your phone number down there. I'll work it out and I'll text you a picture of the answer.
Well, I think I'm wrong.
I could be wrong. I
He's a
was
lot
going
smarter
through
than
it.
me.
I was going through it quick. I could be wrong. I might have missed a sign. I do that a lot.
I may have missed a sign. I may have.
I might have. Yeah, Joe answered. That's a possibility.
Happens to the best of us.
Literally, that happens to yeah, Joe.
Dude, you know G.I. Joe right now is like in confession. Forgive me, Father, I have sinned. What did you do? I forgot a song. That will be 1,800 Hail Marys. Kate, you get a sandwich? Just know that I'm trying to help you out. If you leave here hungry, that's just on you. Just so you know. Like if you leave here and you're like, oh my God, I'm so hungry. I'm the only dumbass that pays for the sandwiches and then leaves hungry.
I'm gonna take one from my girlfriend and my sister, is that okay?
You're taking them for both or you're going to cut one in half?
I'm gonna take one for both.
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you.
I thought you were going to cut one in half and I was like, wow, that's real love right there. All right, take care. Here's a piece of turkey. The whole piece? No, you got to split it. All right. This one right here. Madison, you got it? You like all of it. You got all of it, huh? What'd you get? You got 0 for this one? For real? All right. All right. We're going to multiply through by 18. Six goes into 18 3 times. We're going to get 3x minus 3. 3 goes into 18 6 times. We're going to get 6x plus 2. 18 and 18 cancel. We're going to get 2x plus 3. Let me pause there. Obviously you're good because you got 0 and that's the right answer. Are you good? So far? Come on, baby, you good?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yes.
Because I'm going to tell you, that sounded real disingenuous.
No, I'm good.
All right, like I'm getting to
I'm
be a
just
master of this
processing it in my
whole hidden language thing. I go home, honey, you good? The door slams, and she yells, yeah. I'm like, oh hell. I'm pretty sure that yeah meant a no. You sure you're good, baby?
I'm sure.
Okay. (3x minus 9) plus 6x plus 12 equals 2x plus 3. (3x and 6x is 9x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. Now, here's where I need you to be real careful. If you move that 3 first, you might get yourself into a world of hurt. Okay? You move that 3 first, you end up with getting 9x equals 2x, and now you got a real problem. All right? Problem you didn't know existed until right now. Okay? Move the 2x first. Get 7x plus 3 is equal to 3. Now I'll go ahead and slide that 3 over. 7x is equal to 0. Divide by 7, divide by 0. 7x is equal to 0. And we're good there. Nice job, Madison. I take back every negative thing I said, except for that one part. That one part, sure. All right. All right. Pausing here for station identification. Ladies, good? All right. How about this one? How about this one? Madison, what did you get?
Like 0, 0. So what does that mean? Is that either undefined or infinite solution? Solution is what?
Well, I mean, you gotta make a decision. It's test day. Which one you put?
Undefined.
What did you put?
No solution.
No solution. What did you put?
Oh, I'm still doing this in my mind. Give me a second.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. You can ask him. He's in my class.
What did you put? He put 0. All right. Let's find out. 8x minus 12 minus 3x minus 15 equals 5x minus 20 plus 7. 8x minus 3x is 5x minus 27 equals 5x minus 13, not negative 27. Okay? When you do that, subtract 5x, subtract 5x. Negative 27 equals negative 13. And that is, we put no solution. That we put is no solution. Okay? You good?
Undefined is okay?
No solution is better. All right? You know, this isn't basketball where we say 1, 2, 1, 1, diamond press, they all mean the same thing. Undefined means something totally different than no solution in math world. Now, to the average student, all of it means the same thing, right? It's like a snake. What kind is it? Poisonous? You sure? All of them are. No, they're not all poisonous. Undefined is a specific term for a division problem. All right?
What happens when it's 0 to 0?
That's infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions or identities will be an okay answer. Okay.
If you know the same numbers.
I have no idea what you said. I did something different.
7x minus 42
I got 5x minus
minus 5x plus 30 equals 2x minus 12. 2x minus 12 equals 2x minus 12. Now this is an identity because it's negative 12 equals negative 12. All right. All right, we good? Good, good. Y'all good over there? My friend in the front. I don't know your name. What's your name, honey?
That one right.
Good. What's your name again?
Abigail.
Abigail. Abigail, we good?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna have to call up a cool nickname for Abigail too. I don't know if it's cool as Ranger Rick. You know, it can't get much better than that. All right. Any questions? Questions going once, questions going twice. All right, let's let you get this one out the way. Find the x and y intercepts. All right. College algebra, we on you.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Define the zero. The zero means x-intercept, right? That's the scientific name, if you will, right? Scientific name of 0 is x-intercept. All right. So find the x-intercept, plug in y at 0. Some people say I don't even see a y. F of x is y. So we do 0 equals 4/3 x minus 18. We add 18 to both sides, we get 4/3 x. We multiply both sides by 3, we can clear that fraction. 54 is equal to 4x, divide by 4, divide by 4. X is equal to 27/2. If you're so inclined, you can write 13.5. Both of which are okay. What's wrong, Mom?
That.
What about it?
Yeah. What's going on?
You gotta find the x and y intercepts.
Y equals MS plus B.
No, stay in your lane. You're gonna have her reckoning to the wall. X and y intercepts, we did this today in class.
We did that yesterday.
Okay, well, we
It's
did
a
it
brand new
yesterday.
day for me, okay?
Yeah, okay, well,
Took
it's
2
you
more
good.
classes.
Yeah, you're good then, baby.
Bye.
You good?
Thank you.
Take care. Alright. Yeah, x and y intercept. Plug it in x is 0, solve them for y. Plug it in y is 0, solve them for x.
Okay. Okay.
For what?
You're giving us the eggs, and then for.
The two second ones, yeah, the 2 second ones I kind of screwed you over a little bit. It was intentional.
So there's 3 problems up there.
You know what? No, you know what? You know what?
You're confusing me.
Yeah.
No, okay.
Because I was going to do what she said to do.
Here, 1, 2, 3. Find the x and y intercept for all 3. That'll make it better for you. Now I'm a nice guy again. All right, we good? 27/2. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. X squared plus 7 is equal to 31. X squared is equal to 24. X is equal to 2 squared root of 6. We good? All right, you gotta go?
I mean, no, but what time does this end?
2:45.
No, I'm not doing anything.
Let's let it ride.
Okay.
Although it might be 2:30, but I gotta start taking the damn bag back. Usually we just throw that sucker in the trash can and out we go, let somebody else deal with it. Now I gotta drive back to Chick-fil-A, which is probably gonna mean I'm gonna get a milkshake. God's will. Alright. Not even lying. Like I'd like to go like this. Oh, I'm just joking. I'm not. Strawberry,
Do they still have the
baby.
peach ones?
Huh?
Do they still have the peach ones?
I'm not a peach fan, but that strawberry, and you get the whipped cream on top. Ain't nobody's business. Get y'all to solve this. You think you're ready.
I'll check on it later.
You think you're ready.
On Thursday, I'll see if I got the right answer.
You think you're ready. You ain't ready.
Bet.
You think you're ready.
Bet. I'll come with the right answer. Let me see how much time.
You're gonna cheat.
No, cheat. That's for
All right, on your own.
math phone over here.
All right, on your own, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Brooke, did he just call you out?
I promise I was not cheating. I was
No, I
just
know.
checking my answer.
Look, I'm okay with you cheating. What I'm not okay with is you leaving Dave Burns out to dry like that.
I told him that it was wrong, and he didn't believe me. He thought he was right, so he went up and put the answer, and it was wrong. So it was not my fault.
That's not your fault.
No, it was
Not your
his
fault. What's up, babe?
Can I write down the question right quick?
You just covered all at 10:33.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, anyway.
What do you mean write down the question? They've been up there for 10 minutes.
No, but I was working on the first one.
All right. You know what? I'm getting a minute because God's will. I wouldn't be getting a minute if you didn't slow me up. I'd be working the problems right now. Trent right now is going like this. I have been patiently waiting for you to show me how to use this damn calculator that you made me go get.
Yeah, I do. I know how to use this thing, bro.
Bro, nobody does. No one does. Back in the day, swear to God, a true story. Hold on. Those mints are good. I ain't lying to you. And they're like there's sugar and everything. Low calorie. Even if you eat 7 of them, then have so much low calorie, but you know, one's pretty good. Okay, I'm teaching college algebra. And I tell the students, if you want to find the intersection point, grab both graphs on the calculator and then shake it. I have a whole room of people going like this.
No way.
I swear to God.
No way.
I swear to God. Listen to me. You think I'm just making this shit up? So I go, once I see them all do it, right, I'm like, this guy's shaking to find the intersection. They're like, and so then I'm like, no, you're shaking it wrong, you gotta do it up and down. And about half of them go like this. And I'm like, man, y'all. That's the same class where the girl goes, I figured out how to turn the calculator on, how do you turn it off? And the lady goes, oh, darling, don't worry about it. You just leave it on, eventually it goes off by itself. I said, Lord have mercy, it's going to be a long semester with this group. I ain't gonna watch. All right, you good?
Yes, sir.
What class you in, babe? You know how you find standing deviation on the calculator? You watched the YouTube video, didn't you?
No, I'm taking physics.
I need you to say I watched the video, so that Spencer can be like, I probably should watch the video too. And then Kate would have been like, oh my God, there's a video? Yes, Kate, there's a video that you can watch. This is really starting to piss me off. All right. So, stats people, here's what you're going to do. Can somebody move this thing? Abigail, can you come move this and get it straightened out? Do you mind, baby?
Oh, she's hot. What is it?
Just straighten it out so the camera sees the screen.
It's not.
Move the tripod. Move the tripod.
What am I? I'm so confused.
Oh, no, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Don't move anything. My fault. I got you up for no reason. My bad.
It's showing the screen.
They had me all confused because of the whole toweling thing. All right, look. We're gonna get rid of all of this. Here we go. Turn the calculator on. You're gonna go to Stat, Edit, and you're gonna be in L1. All right, you're gonna be in L1. Now, what the hell are you talking about? All right, type in all those numbers. 6352. 145. 725. You're welcome, guys. We'll see you later. Stats, calc, one variable statistics. Let me pause there, make sure everybody got to that point. We're going to do this on Thursday, just so you know. Kate, are you Monday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Thursday?
Tuesday, Thursday.
Okay, we're doing it Thursday in class. All right, but you'll be ahead of the curve now. All right, Spencer, you okay?
Yep.
One variable statistics, press enter.
What do you do after you put the numbers in?
Second quit. So once you type all the numbers in, second quit will get out to the main screen. Hit Stat, Calc, one variable statistics. Now mine just goes straight to here. Yours may come up with a menu. If it does, just keep hitting enter until you get to the bottom and then it'll go away.
It'll second quit, stat.
Stat and then one variable statistics. Enter. Enter again. You should get this list.
I did.
Huh?
I did. Yeah, I got rid of everything. I don't know. It makes sense.
Bring it up here, babe. Let me look at it. Okay. So you're going to go to Calc. To the right. There's Calc at the top. One variable statistics. Hit enter. Hit enter. Hit enter.
I'm trying to, I'm in there.
Yeah. So, what do we know? X bar is 4. Right? And the mean is 4. Now, if I scroll, SX is the standard deviation, Spencer. We're going to go over that term next term, or next class.
Okay. For some reason mine says XX equals anything there, but I'm sure it's put something wrong.
Let me see. Come here. You get these calculators from everybody else, and you know how you get. Well, Spencer, you gotta.
I gotta type it up there. I typed it in there.
You can't type them all at once. You gotta type them in one at a time. You can't type them all at once. Now you just get one big ass number.
Wait, so you always press enter every time.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do the 4. That's it. All right. Now to do that same process.
Okay.
So SX is the standard deviation. And the other thing I asked you for is Q1 and Q3. And those are also on the screen. Q1 is 2, Q3 is 5. We'll talk about those on Thursday or next week, one or the other. All right? Yes?
What was SD?
SX is standard deviation. Standard deviation is SX. It tells you how on the average off for each values from the mean.
So what would be the answer? What would be the answer, like the final?
1.94. All right, 2 decimal places is fine. All
Do
right.
you round it or no?
Yeah, you'd round it. 2 decimal places is fine. All right. If you said 1.9, I'd give you credit for that too. All righty. Questions on that? Questions on that? All right. Intermediate, just give me 1 minute. What the hell? All these phone numbers, okay. All right. 1 plus 5i squared is 1 plus 5i times 1 plus 5i, which is 1 plus 10i plus 25i squared over 4 minus 3i, which is negative 24 plus 10i over 4 minus 3i, because this part becomes negative 1.
Thanks, okay.
Yeah, you're welcome. So negative 1 times 25 is negative 25. Negative 25 plus 1. You're welcome, baby. See you later on. Negative 25 plus 1 is negative 24. Plus 10i. Now we're going to do the conjugate. 4 plus 3i, 4 plus 3i. Bottom part is 16 minus 9i squared. The top part, negative 24 times 4 is negative 96. Negative 72 plus 40. Negative 72 plus 40 is negative 32i plus 30i squared. Gives us the final answer of negative 126 minus 32i over 25.
You got that.
My man got that. Not so much for this one.
He did that in like 5 seconds too. Tell me he's smart. Good job. You're smart.
All right. Is that 325? Let's take it.
Is that what it said?
What the hell phone number is that? 75. That's useless. Somebody just got a random pre-calculus picture. Not sure who it was, but we're going to let it ride and go with it. All right, Ranger Rick, where are we at?
Are we on our side?
Whose problem we on?
10:32?
10:33, all right. You ready?
Yeah.
Yep, there you go. Madison, you ready? You ain't mad at me, are you? Because you got that disgruntled look on your face. Okay. Smile is a frown turned upside down. You just remember that. All right. X and Y intercepts. Here we go. Get the X intercept. Plug in Y is 0. X is negative 21. Yeah? To get the Y-intercept, plug in X is 0. All right. Get the X-intercept, plug in Y is 0. You got to move the 9 over by adding. X is 3. Plug in X is 0. Negative 9. This one's a little harder. Plug in Y is 0. Divide by 12, divide by 12. X is equal to 4/3. Plug in X is 0. Y is negative 4. All right. Any questions on that? With that being said, I'm going to leave intermediate behind. But yes, please ask the question.
It's not a question. I'm saying I get it now, kind of. But I feel like I screw up because you do a lot of like mental math and then you put the answers already on the board. Like me, I have to put like the division symbol underneath the 2 and underneath the negative 42 and then
Where is that at?
the first question.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes.
So fast.
Yes,
like,
yes, yes.
You don't write everything out. That's when I look back at my notes to see what the fuck is going on.
Yes,
Nothing's there.
yes. I apologize. That is totally on me. And remind me of that because I'm not. It's a flaw in my strategy, and I apologize for that.
I was just saying. I don't
Yeah.
know. That's probably why other people are here too, because they look back like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
So,
no, I think quite possibly. Yes, no, I apologize.
it's okay. I just thought I'd point it out.
Yeah, no, please. If I do it again, just point it out again. Like, hey, you did it again.
Okay.
Because I don't do it intentionally. I promise you. Okay.
Because I know other people are taught different ways, but the little adding all the little signs count matters to me because that's why that.
Oh yeah, no, it makes a huge difference.
So.
No, it makes a huge difference.
Because when we started, like the first day of school, when we wrote down those 3 problems, I was like, oh fuck. And I promise you, I messed up like everything because of the signs.
Yes, yeah, no. The signs are a big deal. And like I say, sometimes, especially in this environment where all the classes are kind of together, I'll skip steps in one class, but then bring it over to another class and forget that, well, they're not in pre-calculus, so we shouldn't be skipping those steps. And it's not intentional, I promise you.
Right.
And so it is definitely something that I could try to do better at. So thank you for bringing it to my attention.
Of course.
Are you okay? You got anything you want to get off your chest? You good? You want another sandwich? Okay, it's up to you.
Can I get another sandwich?
If there's any left, you can. I mean, at this point, I don't think anybody else is showing up. And if they do, they don't get a sandwich. So, yeah, about 9 minutes left, but if you want another one, grab another one.
I'm sorry I was late.
You're never late. This is open session.
It went late, and then I had to go home and grab my stuff at work.
You're never late.
Just change.
Yeah, you're never late.
Yeah.
For these sessions, you get here when you get here, you leave when you leave. I don't give a crap. I mean, I care, but I don't care. All right?
On the second one, what is the 9 and then the arrow and the, yeah.
Okay. Another one of my major flaws there. So in order to move to 9, I need to add 9 to both sides.
Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. We'll see you later on. So that would give me 9 equals 3x,
Okay.
right? Now I said move it like
Right.
FedEx it, but you got to add 9 to both sides. Now we'll divide by 3, and we'll get x equals 3.
Okay, that makes sense now.
All right. And you know, it's weird. I totally divided by 12 here, but then didn't do it over there. You want to divide by -4 here.
Your brain is
It works
too
pretty quick.
good. Yeah.
You're welcome, babe. We'll see you later on.
I owe you a Coke.
You're good, babe. Don't worry about it.
No, I do.
Plus, all the machines are broke on campus. I went to every single one of them. I was ready to pay, but I couldn't pay because none of them worked. But I promise you, I'm gonna get one as soon as I leave here. All right, you good?
So when we're solving for the y, we put the 0 where the x is?
Yes. For the y-intercept, you put the 0 where the x is.
Okay. And then when we're solving for the x, we put
Put the 0 where the y is.
Okay.
Very good.
Will you like the vocal coach?
It does make a difference.
I ordered Walmart.
Any questions? Ask it again, baby. You're good. I promise you, I don't care.
I'm still doing the thing, like. 'cause
Okay,
I'm
how about this? How about this? Let's agree on this.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave it up.
Okay,
I'm gonna let you keep looking at it. I'm gonna do college algebra. I'm gonna come back to you before we leave.
okay,
All right?
that works.
Whatever answers are left, we split 50-50.
Okay. Give them to homeless people.
I'll screw that. I'll give them to the volleyball girls.
Okay. Well, I was gonna take one before I left for me.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Bye, baby. We'll see you later on. Thanks for coming. Ranger 8,
Yes, sir.
what do you got, baby? What's the first one?
The first one I have, x is greater than 17/5. I'm not sure if I didn't do the second one though. I completely forgot that from last semester.
We didn't do it last semester. That was the problem.
Oh, it looks familiar.
Yeah, you definitely have seen it before, but we didn't do it. Bye, baby. We'll see you later on. All right. So we're going to distribute. 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 14.
Okay.
Negative 8x plus 20, yes?
Yes.
Now we're going to add 8. $10x minus 14 is greater than 20. Do we agree?
Yes.
We're going to add 14. 10x is greater than 34. We're going to divide by 10, divide by 10. X is greater than 17/5.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought whenever you divide, you switch the sign.
Okay, great. Let's talk about that. You switch it if you divide by a negative. So it's not, Brooke, just in general, right, as this blanket divide switch. If you divide by a negative, you have to switch.
Okay.
Okay?
So the 10 would have to be negative for it to.
The 10 would have to be negative in order to switch.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. Now, I love the second problem because what happens there is actually quite interesting. When we multiply both sides by 8, we get 2x plus 5. We get 2x minus 7. And we get 2x minus 14 is less than or equal to 2x plus 5. Do we agree? Subtract 2x, subtract 2x. And negative 14 is less than or equal to 5. Now, the question is negative 14 less than or equal to 5? It is, right? Negative 14 is less than 5. So in that case, we say, all real numbers. And we haven't talked about inequalities yet. We're gonna talk about that on Thursday when I see you again, okay? You really haven't done any qualities, but you're here today, you know, your reward is a sandwich and inequalities, there you go. All right? Thank you guys for coming.
Are you good if we write it like this and then it's like an R?
I'm good.
Two
Right.
lines.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, there's
Definitely quite a few sandwiches left, so if you want another one, take another one. I am gonna take whatever's left over to the volleyball team. So, if you want another one, take another one. Don't take them all, you give your families, I can give them away just as easy. Are you good? Or do you have a question? It's okay to ask.
Yeah, I want you to come over here because it was a previous problem. Thank you.
You're welcome, thanks. You guys be blessed.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, I did this, right? And I.
Negative x minus 12, I like it.
Mhm.
Negative 3x minus 15, I like it. 5x plus 20 plus 7, good, okay. Now what did you do? You combine these two. Okay, 8x minus 3x minus 27, that's good. That's good. Now you did these two, that's good.
But, see, when you do this, you have to add these
Don't,
seven
don't,
and add
don't,
them
don't.
together.
Here's the part.
Bye, Mr. Dryer.
Bye, baby, love you, take care. Don't
Can
make
we get a
27
Chick-fil-A
first.
next time on next Tuesday?
Say it again, honey?
Can we get a Chick-fil-A for next Tuesday?
Are you coming back next Tuesday?
Yeah.
Then sure, you can get it.
Okay.
So this is 54.
Mhm.
When you subtract the 5 x's, this becomes 0.
Oh, right.
See, all you did was subtract the 5's and then put x. A lot of people do that. 5x minus 4x is x. 5x minus 5x is 0. This is really 0 equals 54, which is why the answer is best solution.
But on the board, you didn't even put this. So,
No, I did.
You did?
Yeah. I got to
Okay.
here.
You got to here.
Yeah. Where I got
But then
to-
you did 0.
No. I got to 5x minus 27 equals 5x plus 27, right?
Hold on. Let me reread it in my blue, because blue's right, red's wrong.
Okay.
How I do my notes so I don't freak myself out. So you got to there.
Where you and I differed in our approach, you're not wrong and I'm not wrong. We're both correct.
Right.
It's just, can you handle it when you get to your spot versus can you handle it when you get to my spot?
Okay.
What I do is move the letters first. It's bad business to move the numbers first.
Okay.
You're not wrong for moving the numbers first. I think it's bad business.
Okay.
Okay? Now, if I move these numbers first, if I move the letters, subtract 5x, subtract 5x, I'm going to get negative 27. Would you shut up? Negative 27 is equal to 27, because these are going to cancel. Okay? From there, you can say no solution, because negative 27 is not 27.
Right.
So from there, immediately you can just say, hey, they're not the same. Okay? See, once the x's cancel, it runs you either into this or all real numbers,
Right.
right? Once the x's cancel, it's one of these two.
Right.
Got one of those two.
That's the identity and that's
Yes.
the, yeah, okay.
That is, this is if you get done and you have 27 equals 27,
Right.
then you would say all real numbers.
So, this was an identity, which I also got wrong. That's why my angry scribble's right there.
Yes, that's an identity. Let's take a look. What did you do wrong? 7x minus 42 minus 5x plus 30,
I
2x minus 12.
crossed them all out because it was like they
Okay,
equal
okay,
each
so
other
then
out.
you got 0 again. You got 0 equals 0. 0 equals 0 is an identity. See, the problem is you're writing
So what is
2x.
this one? Oh, because of positive and negatives. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, you're just putting 2x minus 2x and you're writing x. That's not true. 2x minus x is
Oh,
not x.
okay. Yeah, it's nothing because the x
0.
goes away too.
Yes.
Okay. So instead of that,
You would put 0 equals 0,
okay.
and then you would put identity. So you're not as far off as you might feel like you are.
Right.
But honestly, thank you for saying that, because I do it. I don't really
Right.
Like, I really don't do it on purpose.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
And I know I talk fast,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Like,
Well, in class, you're calling on everyone else, and then they say an answer that I think is just ridiculous, like out of the fucking ballpark. And then you work it all out, and they got the right answer, and I'm like, fuck, I'm the wrong one. So I took financial algebra last year. So I didn't take like a really equation-y math class. It was like kind of like taxes, loans, stocks, and shit.
Yeah.
So I didn't do much math last year at all.
Now you're going right into the deep end, you feel like.
Right. So it
That's
kind
where
of
we teach kids to swim. Just jump in.
yeah. So
You good?
yep, I'm just gonna write this example again so I can put it in my brain.
Hey, baby. Right now, I'm doing a health session at the college, and then I gotta take this bag back to Chick-fil-A, and I got Emily's volleyball from 3 to 5, but I don't think I have anything other than that. What's going on? You're still doing that child plus stuff? Like, I mean, like I said, I don't mind sitting down with you. I don't know that I have how much of a source for you, but. Yeah. What time do you want to do it? Okay. Okay. Yeah. No, I'm gonna be running around here for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go home and we'll make dinner, and I'll help him after dinner. Sound good? Okay. Who was? Oh, Carrie Barkwood? Right. Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't understand that. But hey, look, let me finish up with this person, I'll talk to you later on. All right, love you, bye.
So, one last question. For the fraction equation thingies, what if there's only one number or variable up here? Because right here,
You just don't distribute.
you don't distribute up here?
Yeah, so like, let's say instead of x minus 3, let's say you have 5x over 6.
Mm-hmm.
You multiply by 18.
Mm-hmm.
This is 3.
Right.
This becomes 15x. You just don't distribute.
Okay, so you divide that, and then
You-
what you
you
get from
divide
that,
first.
you times
You
it.
multiply by that.
Okay,
So when I say divide first, multiply second.
because you know what?
Divide first, multiply second.
Okay. Because what I was doing is, what was I doing? I was doing the 18 divided by 6, right? And then I put that in like little parentheses, and then I times like 18 by 5. And I was like,
Don't do that.
that's wrong. Like
That's
that's
not good.
right in the head, like
Not
wrong.
good.
So when I saw this, I was like, how did we get here? Because here we just,
Mhm.
have these that we can bring down. I get that. But when it's just one, I was like, okay, what the fuck do I do? So I think I can finish the rest of my homework now. And I almost did, where was it? Decimal thing. I did it right, actually. I did it
Okay.
right. Because I remember you said do it by 100. So I actually got the right answer.
Alright.
I thought I got the wrong answer, that's why I put the fuck on the paper. But I got the right answer.
Where are you from?
Here.
Your whole county.
Born and
You
raised.
just use the fuck word.
All the time.
All the time.
Mhm.
So me and you, we just like brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
It's like my favorite word. I'm like, that word has so many different uses.
Mhm.
It can be used in all kinds of different situations.
It's a
Like-
fun word.
Yeah.
Like I said, on the first day of school, I work in a restaurant
Yeah.
with a whole bunch of grown-ass people, and we all just cuss each other out.
I hear you. And I don't know that it's a good thing, but it's a thing.
It's a thing. It's what I'm dealing with right now, so.
All right, girl.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Yep, see you later on.
I'll see you tomorrow, and I can come to tutoring tomorrow too, right?
So there will not be tutoring tomorrow. I haven't called the pizza place to get that set up yet.
Okay.
And I've got a lot of shit to do.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'll be here Friday if you're some questions.
I don't have any classes Friday. I refuse to wake up early on Friday and come here.
That's
so.
your
Maybe
your call.
next week.
Yeah, no, like I said, I haven't called the pizza place. I need to call them, but I've got some things I gotta deal with tomorrow, so
Okay. Well,
we'll start pizza problems next week.
okay.
Alrighty? Thank you, baby.